it's actually the next day. Clearly, I actually took a stopped to eat dinner. Then I'm talking to my friend for till 2-3 in the morning, just planning some video ideas and stuff that we're gonna do. But anyway, so I'm gonna continue the productive vlog. Right now I'm actually up and I'm at McDonald's getting a smoothie because I just didn't feel like trying to make one at home. Plus I don't think we have stuff for it, but I usually make one every day. But so I was like, let me just run and get this really quickly. It's right by my house, and then head back home, make my to-do list, and get started on my day and get everything done. Like I said, I did start summer school, so I have those things I need to plan out for school and how I want to organize everything. And it's 5-week classes, so it's super fast paced. We got a new package today. I got an OhPolly package yesterday, another package today. I got some workout clothes from there, so I'm gonna open this up. Ooh, we'll get another one. Let's see. It's not a sports bra, y'all. So this is what it looks like. I got it in a size, yeah, I did get small. And it's like a razorback style, so I actually might put it on to show you guys what it looks like. But I'm super excited to work out in this. All their workout clothes, which are actually super cute, especially to be a company that just makes regular clothes. Their workout stuff's legit fire. Anyways, and they're really cute. So I got this, and because I have really broad shoulders and stuff, I had to get a medium. So it's really wide here, so I'm using a safety pin. I got it in yellow. It's long sleeve, and I got the pink one in long sleeve as well. The pink's not as bright as I thought it is, but it's still cute. Literally still love it. And then this came in today from their 3rd collection, I believe. And it's the sports bra. It looks like this, has little padding in it and whatever. But super excited to try all these on for my workout. So now basically I have 3 different workout videos already ready right here. I got 3 tops, well, new ones anyway. Just 3 new tops, because I already have workout clothes from track that I can wear. But these are different, so yeah. But I did want to go ahead and make my bed really quickly, show you that package. Now I need to do my to-do list for the day and actually get started on my day. So my to-do list for the day is made, so I'll just go through. I do make it on my iPad, so I can have it everywhere, but I will go ahead throughout the day and just mark off them as I do them. But actually, I did make my bed, so anyways, that is off my list. And then I do the rest of these for today, but I do have Bible study now, so that's what I'm about to go do. Okay, so now I'm actually about to go ahead and finish vacuuming like I was supposed to do yesterday. Y'all don't get me started on Bunny Cage. Literally every time I clean it, within 2 seconds she messes it back up. So it's not pretty anymore, but it's whatever. And then I gotta redo all the hay, but that's me. When I put the hay in there, it just gets all over the floor. But let's vacuum before Bible study. I got 10 minutes. This right here is what you need if you have pets. Even if you don't, it just smells really good. But I just realized so much of the vacuum upstairs. Lovely. Oh, by the way, this is a sports bra I just got, so it's super cute. Can't wait to work out in it. Anyway. Okay, so the floor is complete. So I can officially mark all of that off my calendar now because I've done that part. So my room is pretty much back to work. Nice. But then she's taking her daily naps and hiding. She's just gonna come out of there and mess it all up again. But it's okay, Pip. Mommy loves you. Anyways, Bible study's actually started, so I'm gonna go do that now, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay, so right now I'm at Target, you guys. So anyways, I'm going in right now because I need to look for like a floor pillow and tucking in my desk. Also look for a desk, so we'll see which one I can find first. And yeah, then I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A after this as well, but I just need to go look for really quick the strawberry flavor of this lemonade. I'm going to die. It's so hot out here actually. So I found this huge ottoman so far. It's $60, but I might use this for my YouTube video now. Think about it. And then I saw this desk so far. It looks just like my old one. My old one was marble though, but it's literally the same desk. But it's actually cheaper. It's $79 here at Target, and I paid like $130 at Walmart. So let's see if we can find some more desks. I'm now feeling this wooden one. Then they have that one over there, but it's like woody white. Don't like either one of those. They're like really old. I think that one might be my best option. And like trying to order everywhere is just not going well. IKEA is like basically shut down. Like we couldn't even pick up orders. Like it's just been a mess. I've been trying for like weeks. Every desk online always sells out. So I might have to just get that one. We're gonna have to make it work, honestly, I guess. It's not super expensive. I think I need some shelves like these in my bathroom actually. My makeup, not makeup, or my skincare stuff. White, of course. These are the restaurant bathroom I got. They're super cheap, but the only thing is they do kind of like fade a lot over time. So I might want to pick some more expensive ones this time versus these. Bottles were in high school. Oh my god. Now it's Hydro Fast. Not that anyone asked, but this is my favorite water. I just wish it came in like huge cases like this. I can drink this cold, hot, room, not really hot, but like room temperature. Oh, so cold. It's so good. But I'm trying to stay away from soda. So let's try some of these sparkling water with the bubbles. I don't know which one to get though. Green apple, citrus might taste like Sprite's my favorite. The only big soda I actually drink. So let's see. On second thought, I changed my mind. I'm gonna wait, come with my mom, and make my mom pay for it. That's what I always do. Cause I'm just that kind of person. All right, I'm about to head out actually. I think I'm good here. We're good for the day. I'll take this off. Now it's time to get some Chick-fil-A. I have a free rewards. If you are not a part of the Chick-fil-A rewards program, it's not sponsored, of course, download their app, and every time you order food there, use your like scan for like get points. I'm in a silver club member. It's gone down definitely since, you know, like I don't really go out anymore, but then they send you free food. Me and my sister should get free food from Chick-fil-A like, I don't know, like every other week. Like we get free food from them all the time. And the more Chick-fil-A's, go to different Chick-fil-A's, because different Chick-fil-A's will send you stuff. Like I get ones from St. Louis, Springfield, like all over KC. See this line? No, we're doing mobile curbside pickup. It goes way faster. Now watch. I would be behind that maroon car. Watch how long it's gonna take my food to come. They're gonna be still like right over here. Chick-fil-A's quick and all, but not if I can get it faster. Just like that, my order is being made. They're preparing it now, and watch, it's gonna be out so quick. It's now moved here. And then once I get my food, okay, I have transition lenses, so don't talk about me. And then once I have my food, I go over to like usually if I go to the one by the mall, then I park in the mall parking lot and eat. This time I'm gonna park over here in the shopping center, and then I just eat my food in the car. Just walked away. I told you the car is in the same spot. Bro, mobile order is so much quicker. I'm telling you. Yeah.
That is correct. So in here, you just gotta write down
I literally just locked me out of class. Said my internet connection's unstable. 9:53, I have class until 10:45. Should I try again, guys, or take a nap? I'll be nice. I'll try again. Oh no. No, don't connect. Wi-Fi, keep acting up. Keep acting up, Wi-Fi. Please. Well, actually, I just got a message that said, this meeting has been ended by your host, so I'm gonna email her that and be like, it's funny, last Wednesday it ended early too. It ended at like 10:20 something, not exactly this early. But anyways, what's up? But anyways, okay. Clearly it's a new day. I woke up. You guys have been so proud. I woke up at 7:20. Who am I? It was more like 7:14 actually. And then I got up, took a shower, listened to some good music in the shower, made a smoothie for me, my mom, and my dad, and then I came down here, got dressed. I did a little bit of cleanser, that's it. I didn't do the rest of my skincare before class started, and then class started at 8. And then I obviously got dressed, as you saw. But yeah, so today's gonna be has to be another productive day because I started classes last week, but I officially got all my stuff this week. So today I need to add all my stuff to my calendar and everything. Yeah, I just got some stuff I need to do today. I bought curtains and stuff yesterday. I went back with my dad and bought my desk at Target. Completely different one. The one that I said was ugly, I got it and it's actually nice. But anyways, got a new desk, put it up, bought some curtains and stuff for my window. So I take this newspaper down. So you guys notice anything besides the fact that I'm at Target again? I got the wrong rod when I got my curtains yesterday. But anyways, I got new glasses today. I picked them up. So excited. I'm at Target right now. I'm about to pick this stuff up. So I'm gonna go ahead in there really quickly and then be back out here. Here now, like I'm always at Target. It's ridiculous. Look at what's back. Thank God. Thank God. Let's go. So hot, I'm literally sweating, you guys. Oh my God, it's so hot out here. And I got on all black. Okay, so it's later. It's literally, 10:59. We're about to finish watching the Real Housewives of Atlanta reunion, season 11. We've basically come all the way up forward. Now I'm about to do my Indian clay mask because my face is just feeling really, and it really kind of clears my skin up and makes me feel a lot better. My mom was supposed to do hers, but she's been slacking. It's been like 2 weeks and my skin needs some rejuvenation. So we're about to do this right now. So the face mask is on. I got on my lips. It'll sit for 20 minutes. So see you in a second. I missed my forehead. I need to do that up there actually. Okay, so I washed my face. This is how it looks afterwards. I need to add some gel to my hair. I'm about to go to bed. I was gonna do some more work before I went to bed, but I decided since I don't have class tomorrow, I'll wake up in the morning and do my work in the morning for my class, take all day, get organized my schedule. I'll show you guys all of that stuff so we can do all that. But I did want to train my skin before I went to bed. But to gel my hair down and take my nighttime gummy and I'm gonna go to sleep. Probably will watch like, I don't know, like the game or something while I go to bed. But I finished all of the Real Housewives of Atlanta today. It's really sad. I'm all caught up and I don't know what to do in my life. I don't know. Well, anyways, I'm gonna go to bed. Good night. Hope you guys enjoyed some of my day you got to see. Talk to you later. So this is what it looks like. And then, you know, you just open it and it has a drawer. So that's nice. But yeah, I really do like it and it works really well. That's literally my lemonade. I have so many of those lemonades. Like, let me show you. I have so many. But yeah, this is my desk. And I really like it. That we got yesterday and I finally put them up. They let in enough light, which I like, but they are dark at nighttime. So I need that's the only natural sunlight I get down here. So I definitely needed that. It's better than the newspapers because the newspapers, of course, didn't let any light in. Pip, what are you doing? Stop. She's looking for her pineapple juice. She gets it at nighttime. Those are all Pip's pineapple juices. And technically her water because I don't drink water. I need to do better. Go eat your food. And she likes Starbucks strawberry refreshers as well. So that's, we're trying to get to that. But anyways, yeah, literally no. All I have is literally all these lemonades right here. That's for smoothies. This is bunny food, like her dinner, applesauce, and wine. Like, that's what you'll find all the time in my refrigerator. But I stack up on these for sure. This is my Cholula because my brother likes to use too much on every single thing. So keep my own, my salad dressing, her pineapple juice. That was some sparkling water. It was okay. But yeah, welcome to my fridge. Okay guys, so I decided I'm actually gonna end the vlog here just because I don't want it to be super long. So check out my next video to see how I organize my school stuff and how I get like a productive vlog for like school wise and everything. Because yeah, this one's already kind of like, I'm gonna be a little bit long and I don't want it to be like super long. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, I got a Shein package yesterday, so I'm gonna unbox that today. So I can show you guys, I got like 6 or 7 pieces. So I can show you all of those pieces today so I can show you all those pieces on my next video as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like productive vlogs and want to see more, let me know. Comment down below or just message me on Instagram. People have been messaging me lately and I see those. And I do see comments too. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to subscribe down below. I'm trying to get to 50K by the end of the year. So let's see if that can happen. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Bye.